Recording.
All right, Sunday afternoon. I'm going to take you through downtown Andrews. If Andrews isn't the meth capital of North Carolina, nowhere is. There's the fire department, one of the last existing Hardys. Andrews used to be a very cool community, city. This place was awesome 40, 50 years ago. Some of the houses, there's a road over here on the left at Junaluska. Some of the houses that are back in there are just amazing. Look at the back of this house right here with the pool. I mean, it's just cool. And then you hit Andrews. I mean, look at the quality, the lifestyle right there. If you can't find meth in 20 of those trailers, you're just not looking hard enough. Look at the house up there on the hill. Gorgeous. This burger basket on the right.
Hey.
If you want good burgers, amazing catfish, that's it right there. Burger basket. Yeah, Andrews has some trailer homes. Here's the driver's license office on the left. Good luck getting an appointment to get your driver's license. The natural speed bumps on this road, they're great. Cherokee County's never going to repave this road. The city of Murphy's never going to repave it. This place, Morning Fog, I have heard nothing but good reviews of that place. So if you like coffee and food, that Morning Fog might be your destination. You might want to give it a try. This police department, but there's no law enforcement in this community. I'm surprised the meth heads aren't out here walking down Main Street. Usually when I come through here on a weekday, they're just everywhere. Yeah, Andrews used to be awesome. Even in the 90s when I'd come through Andrews, it was great. So I'm going to make a left-hand turn here on Fairview. I'm not going to show you any more Andrews. You've seen enough Dollar Generals. So here's Fairview. I'm going to start a new video.